Hello friends, today in this video we will learn 20 lines on soil. So let's start. Soil is the layer of dirt on the earth's surface. It's home to many living things like plants and insects. Soil helps plants grow by providing food and water. It's made up of tiny particles like sand, silt and clay. Soil can be different colors like brown, black or red. It has a special smell that's earthy and nice. Soil is important for filtering water and air. It helps keep the earth's temperature stable. Soil is where roots of plants grow deep. It's a habitat for tiny creatures like worms and ants. Soil can be fertile or infertile depending on its quality. Farmers use soil to grow crops and food. Soil conservation is important to protect it. Erosion can harm soil and make it disappear. Soil is a non-renewable resource, so we must care for it. It takes thousands of years to form just a few inches of soil. Soil is a mixture of living and non-living things. It's a vital part of the Earth's ecosystem. Soil supports biodiversity and life. We must protect soil for future generations. Thank you for watching.